Here is how you make your apps different colors on iPhone. But first, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. It really helps me out. Thank you. So we first, from our home screen, long press on the empty space and release when the apps start to jiggle. Then we're going to tap the edit button at the top left. Then we're going to select customize. So you should see this menu. If not, update to the iOS 18 or newer. And in this one, we can have light mode, we can have the dark mode, which will change the color, and then we can use a custom tinted color. So you can change the color here. So I'll use a light blue, and you can choose the intensity of the blue like this. And then we'll tap on the empty space to exit the menu. And now we have, changed the color.